Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen and day 4 of my breakfast recipe week. I love me some eggs, whether it's hard-boiled, over easy, scrambled, you name it. And speaking of scrambled, today's recipe I'm going to share with y'all how to make the best scrambled eggs. My friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And once you try this method of scrambled eggs, you will never go back. It is amazing. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more breakfast recipes, check out my playlist and my previous video, sausage gravy, aka sawmill gravy. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your eggs, your butter, and your skillet sugar, because we're about to cook some scrambled eggs magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, over here in my medium bowl, we're going to add in 4 extra large eggs. I just taken them out of the refrigerator. You don't have to let them sit at room temperature. Into our eggs, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of half and half, which is half whole milk, half heavy cream. This is going to make the eggs super moist. And last but not least, our seasonings. 1/4 teaspoon each of kosher salt and white pepper, or you can use black pepper. You can also add in some cayenne pepper for a little heat. Going to mix all these together aggressively until it's uniform in color and the texture is light and foamy. You can whisk it if you like. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing my eggs, and this is what it looks like. It transformed from a white color to a bright yellow color. That's exactly what we want, and we don't see any separate streaks of white and yolks. Now we are ready to cook it. Let's head over to the stove. On my stove top, I have my skillet. My fire is on medium heat. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Going to spread it all over so it can coat the bottom of the skillet. And let it melt, and as soon as the butter melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the butter has melted, so now we're going to pour in the eggs in the center. Going to immediately cut the fire down to medium-low, and we're just going to wait for the edges to just barely start to set. And as soon as that happens, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the edges has started to set, so now using my rubber spatula, we're going to gently push the eggs from one end of the pan to the other, like so, and continue this process, pausing in between swipes to allow the uncooked egg to settle and cook, gently pushing the liquid to form the curds. Alright, my friends, this is what the eggs look like. You see how it made some big pillowy folds, but still pretty wet? That's exactly what we want. And just slowly fold them in until it's up just a couple of times, bringing them together. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our scrambled eggs are done. So now I cut my fire off and it is ready to serve. So now I'm about to pour it into my serving bowl and we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. The perfect scrambled eggs. Don't that look good? And before we taste, I'm going to sprinkle on top some chopped green onions, or you can use chopped chives. Perfect. Now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. OMG, it just melts in your mouth. It is perfectly cooked, light, fluffy, and full of flavor. These are the best scrambled eggs I ever had. This is incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Scrambled eggs-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.